How to set click input sensitivity on Tecno mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to Settings, in Settings, go to System, and System, go to Language and Input. In Language and Input, in Keyboard section, tap the on-screen keyboard. And go to Gboard, and Gboard settings, go to Preferences, and Preferences, and Shortcut section. You can see here the click input sensitivity. And the click input sensitivity is set into normal. So if you want to change or set this, tap the click input sensitivity and the pop-up are show. Now you can set the click input sensitivity. You can adjust to the right to hide the click input sensitivity, or you can adjust to the left to low the click input sensitivity. For my example, I set into mid-low and tap OK to save these settings.